Jack Daniel's flat iron sandwich. Let's get to cooking. First, we're gonna season this flat iron steak, some of your favorite beef seasoning. Now, before we grill the steak, I'm gonna make a Jack Daniel's pineapple glaze, starting with some brown sugar. You gotta have some pineapple pepper jelly, just a little bit of vinegar barbecue sauce, and a lot of bit of Jack Daniel's whiskey, really about 2 ounces. Want to make sure it tastes right, you got to pull that carburetor out for that one. We don't need that. Stir it all up, zap it in the microwave for about 2 minutes. All right, we're going right on a hot grill with our flat iron steak. It's gonna take about 6 minutes per side. We'll give it a little twist action. Now it's time to give it a flip. Hit it with the Jack Daniel's glaze. We've got 6 more minutes to go. Ooh, time to turn and glaze. Now we're gonna slice this flat iron super thin. We want it to be about medium on the inside. Check that out. I'm going down with a slice of provolone. I'm gonna put some of our steak right on top. Well, we gotta have more than that. Now we're ready for some mushrooms right on top. Put more provolone on the opposite side and then right over the top as well. We're gonna set it right back on the grill long enough to melt that cheese. I know I gotta try it. Got a little au jus made up to dip it in. We're gonna take this flat iron sandwich, dip it right in it.